let's chat about fruit flies. You know, those tiny pests who love a good fruit bowl party or rave in your garbage bin. They're not paying rent, so it's time they leave. The first step to a fruit fly-free zone is a cleanup crew. Cover those trash bins, clean out those recycling containers, and no food scraps lying around. All right, let's get to our DIY fruit fly trap. First up, apple cider vinegar. Fruit flies can't resist it. Next, a drop of dish soap. It breaks the surface tension, so when fruit flies come for the vinegar, it's a one-way trip. Pour the apple cider vinegar into a bowl, add a drop of dish soap, and mix gently. Place your bowl near those fruit fly hot spots. They'll be drawn to the scent of the vinegar, and the dish soap will make sure they stay put. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.